Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you the home menu of the Windows 11, that how you can manage the settings and how you can control some other options as well. So let's click on this. So now what we need to do, simply we have to right click on the taskbar, and then we have to click on the taskbar setting. This is not the only one method that how you can open it. It's up to you that how you can open it. I'm going to click on the home menu. As you can see, after clicking on the home menu, you will see these options in the updated version of the Windows 11. As you can see here, you will see the connected Wi-Fi, and here you will see the Windows update, and here you will see the your desktop version and the model number as well. And here you will see some taskbar settings. If you want to control it, you can also do that. So I'm going to back. So you have to click on the back. And now what we need to do, as you can see, is the contrast theme. If you want to control or if you want to change these themes, you can also do that. I'm going to bake again. And after that, I'm going to scroll it. As you can see here, you will see some basic options as well. Like if you want to control the Bluetooth, you can also do that. And after that, you have to scroll down and you will see some MS Office related options here. And here you will see your themes or your color mode as well. If you want to change them, you can also do that. It's up to you. For example, if you want to use this one, then you have to click on this and the color mode will be automatically changed. So after that, and you have to scroll down, and after scrolling down you will see some other options as well. As you can see, get help and all these are the basic options. And here's the option for dark and light. If you want the light one, you can also do that, or if you want the dark one, you can also do it. It's up to you. If you want to more colors or the dark mode or the themes as well, you have to click on this option. You will get the more themes and the color modes. So in this way you can use the home menu. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can control or use the home menu in Windows 11. You just have to follow my these steps. So see you guys in the next video.